India is on the verge of making history in space exploration. Its first human spaceflight mission, the Gaganyaan mission, will send astronauts into orbit using entirely indigenous technology. Indian Space Agency ISRO's chief V. Narayanan has said that 90% of the work on the Gaganyaan uncrewed test flight mission is over. The mission will pave the way for India's first human spaceflight in 2027, marking a historic milestone and strengthening the nation's place in the global space community. DD India's Diptanshu Kashyap has more.
India is closer to sending its first astronauts into space. ISRO has completed nearly 90% of the work on its maiden human spaceflight program, the Gaganyaan mission. ISRO chief Dr. V. Narayanan said preparations for the first uncrewed test flight G1 are in the final stages, with launch expected in early December. The flight will carry the humanoid robot Vyomitra to test life support, communication, and emergency systems. The final crewed mission in 2027 will send 3 Indian astronauts into space, placing India among the few nations capable of independent human spaceflight. Gaganyaan will send a 3 member crew to low Earth orbit about 400 kilometers above the Earth for nearly 3 days. After completing their mission, the astronauts will safely splash down in the Indian Ocean. The spacecraft includes a crew module providing an Earth-like environment and a service module for power and propulsion. ISRO is developing a human-rated GSLV Mk3 rocket. The mission also includes life support, advanced communication and control systems, and an emergency escape mechanism for astronaut safety. ISRO has reached major milestones for Gaganyaan. In August 2025, it successfully conducted the first integrated airdrop test at the Satish Dhawan Space Center, validating the parachute system with a 5-ton dummy module. The mission includes astronaut training, rehabilitation, and collaboration with partners like Roscosmos. With a budget of around 10,000 crore rupees, Gaganyaan will boost technology, robotics, and space industries, inspire future generations, and reinforce Atmanirbhar Bharat. The 2027 crewed flight will mark a historic milestone in India's space journey. Diptanshu Kashyap's report for DD India.